Alright, we woke up early today. We're gonna go do a little bit of cement work at One Stop Garage. Got a little tank. I was gonna put it in the back. Fucking threw it in here. Fucking forgot about it. Oh, it's alright, it's empty. So right now we're gonna go to Home Depot, get the cement. But first, we'll stop by, get something to eat real quick, cause I am kinda hungry. Ciao, bro. So let's get this going and see what happens. Well, got a little drink. Not really what I wanted, but didn't have the one I want. Not that bad. And I got me my buffalo roller. Anyway, it's pretty good. You gotta enjoy your shit, you know? Can't just be fucking running and eating and no. You didn't enjoy it. When you're done, keep moving to the next step. A little hot. Close by the Home Depot across the street. So very convenient. They have a convenience store, 7-Eleven, across the street from fucking Home Depot. Ain't that convenient? Hot. All right, we're good to go. I'm gonna throw the little corner right here, start getting, you know, the yard done. I brought 10, should be enough for here. I got the mixer in the back, bring it out, and let's get this shit started. Right now I'm just unpacking it. Gotta make sure it actually turns on. I haven't used it in a long time, to be honest. But I went and got an extension cord, plugged it, and it actually works pretty damn good. Not bad. Right now I'm just gonna go and measure the rebar. I thought I had plenty, but I only had actually 2 left, an 8-footer and a 6-footer. So I'm just measuring to cut it to make it look even. So what I decided to do is like a big triangle and try to put one in the middle. Then from there I looked for some chicken wire. I found this roll I had, kind of like thicker than chicken wire, so I'm like, that looks good. It's not gonna be a everyday car driving by it, so that should work fine for me. So I ended up doing it, tied everything up real good, make sure it wasn't touching the ground. So I put some pebbles on the bottom, some little rocks and everything. I wet the whole thing before I poured the cement. I threw a lot of water in there, so when I throw the bag of cement, it doesn't, you know, it doesn't be all dry and shit. After my first mix, I ended up doing 4 bags on the first bag. I think if I did 5, the little mixer would have got a little too heavy, and I don't want to fuck it up. So 4 is good enough for that one. From there, I just threw more water in there because I didn't want the cement to get all dried up in there while I'm spreading it out and, you know, doing all the little corners and everything. On my second batch, I got a little too excited. Poured it out, just, you know, everything was coming out good. Spilled a little bit, but it's alright. I went and got the shovel, shoveled it back in, whatever fell out, so nothing really got wasted, just a couple little pebbles. Threw a little bit of water on it because it looked a little too dry. Did the last 2 bags, spread it out. I think it would have had 1 more, 11 bags would have been perfect, but 10 bags is good enough for me. Unfortunately, my battery died on my camera, so I didn't record everything when I was doing the little details, but I'll put a picture of it and everything, how it looks after. Right now I'm just throwing water in there so it doesn't dry up, and right here I'm just spreading it. A little hand shovel thingy, whatever it's called. Like I said, I'm not a pro. I don't really know names and all this crap. spread it out pretty good. And not being a pro and not doing this every day, I think it came out pretty good. There we go, look at that. Nice spreading frosting on the cake. I'll make sure it's got every little corner. End up grabbing a little piece of rebar that was left over and start stabbing it to make sure, you know, it will fall everywhere or whatever, like under the rocks and everything. And from there, it actually came out pretty damn good. I'll post a picture of it.